Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new, this is PemMNY. We're glad to have you here. And today's video, I'll be making this very simple, easy way to make a balloon without the balloon stand. All the materials will be in the description down below. So these side are the 5 inches balloons. These are 12 inches and we have some 10 inches as well. But you can use all them 10 inches if you have the right color. So by the way, you can also use different color for this design, any color of your choice. So for this one right here, we need a link balloon or linking balloon, and you can see there's this extra piece on the tip. These are the link balloon or linking balloon. So I use the pink. I believe this is 10 inches, but we'll put this in the description down below. So we'll inflate our latex balloon, the 12 inches and 10 inches. We will inflate them to 8 inches. So there's our 8 inches. The very bottom, we will use our gold. Then pair this up. Just like that. Put this on the side. And then put this together. Like this. So you do this on all your balloons here, and this would be the base. And this. Now these are 12 inches, but as I said, you can also use 10 inches. This is 12 inches. So this time I'm gonna inflate our link balloon. I'm gonna inflate this to 8 inches as well. We use 13 of these balloons. Right, all the balloons are already prepped. I got it on the floor right here. So it's time to put them together. Alright, so it's time to put them all together. So I have a balloon weight. So if you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. So this is actually double stuff. There's two 5 inches balloons. So we'll put this on the very base of our balloon arch. Grab your balloon end and then tie it together. When you flip this around, that'll be on the very base. On the second layer, we'll use this color, sand. Put it on top. Make sure it's in between the balloon. Grab your balloon end and then tie it to your balloon end here. We'll use this on the other side. Third layer would be this color. This is our mirror green. Again, grab one of your balloon end. And your balloon end right here, tie it again. The fourth layer would be your baby yellow. Put this on top. Again, you want to use your balloon end and your balloon end. So make sure it's in between the balloons. So this would be your base on the right side. So you'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So just like that, you got both your base. Okay, we'll put this on the floor. So now we have our link balloon or linking balloon. So you just have to tie this, the tip, the very tip, you'll tie this to your balloon end. Connect them all. I connect them all, total of 13 balloons. So we'll connect this other end on top of here. Again, using that balloon end. Just tie it in there. There. And then the other one goes to the opposite base. Just like that. Now it's flimsy, but we'll make it more sturdier. Alright, so this time we'll inflate our 5 inches balloons. These are the same color we use on the base. So we'll inflate our 5 inches balloon to 4.5 inches using our balloon sizer. Alright, so there you go. They're all inflated. So again, these are 5 inches inflated to 4.5 inches. We will attach them here. So we'll start with the gold. Put this on top, right on here, and then just crisscross. Put this on top, just crisscross. So like that, it holds up your balloon. After the gold, we'll do the sand. So just follow the color arrangement here. And then twist this. It holds in place. So I'm gonna go close to you guys so you'll be able to see. And then back to our goal. So again, you put this on here. And then this sort of crisscross, just like that. So just like that, and just arrange this in place. So this is optional, it's up to you. This alone would be perfect, but if you will add more flour, it'll be more beautiful. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you guys like this. As I said, this would be perfect for indoor party. You don't need a balloon stand or balloon arch stand. It's perfect inside because, as I said, it's flimsy. So again, guys, I hope you like this. Learn something from this channel today. Again, this is Gemar. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.